Join me as I dive into the wild world of animal intelligence and see if I can figure out if they really think like us. Animal cognition is a fascinating topic that has been debated by scientists and animal lovers alike for centuries. Can animals really think like humans, or are their actions purely driven by instinct? In this video, we're going to explore the complexities of animal thought processes and see if we can uncover some surprising similarities and differences between human and animal intelligence. One of the biggest challenges in understanding animal cognition is distinguishing between human-like thinking and instinctual behavior. While animals may exhibit seemingly intelligent actions, it's often difficult to determine whether they're driven by innate instincts or actual problem-solving abilities. This debate has sparked intense discussions among experts, with some arguing that animals are intelligent in their own right, while others believe their actions are simply the result of natural selection. Take, for example, the behavior of ants navigating complex underground colonies. On the surface, it appears as though they are working together to achieve a common goal, but is this really an example of intelligent thinking, or are they simply following predetermined routes? Similarly, birds may use complex vocalizations to communicate with each other, but are they actually thinking about the meaning behind their songs, or are they simply reacting to auditory cues? The line between instinct and intelligence becomes even more blurred when we consider the concept of social learning. Many animals, including primates, dolphins, and even octopuses, have been observed learning from each other and adapting to new situations. But does this necessarily mean they're thinking like humans, or are they simply mimicking behaviors without understanding the underlying principles? As we delve deeper into the world of animal cognition, the more we realize how difficult it is to define intelligence. Is it the ability to solve complex problems, or is it the capacity to learn from experience? The answer, of course, is still unclear, but what is certain is that animals are capable of some truly remarkable feats that challenge our assumptions about their intelligence. In the wild, we've seen numerous examples of animals using tools to solve problems, from chimpanzees using sticks to extract termites to sea otters using rocks to crack open shells. But what's even more remarkable is when animals start to exhibit behaviors that are eerily similar to our own. For instance, some species of birds have been known to engage in playful activities, such as sliding down snowy hills or playing with objects, purely for the joy of it. One of the most astonishing examples of animal intelligence is the ability of some species to recognize themselves in mirrors. This cognitive ability, known as self-awareness, is a hallmark of human intelligence, and yet, animals like chimpanzees, dolphins, and even magpies have demonstrated this ability in experiments. It's as if they're thinking, "Hey, that's me in the mirror." Perhaps the most compelling evidence of animal intelligence comes from a study involving a chimpanzee named Yamu. In this study, Yamu was presented with a series of numbers on a screen, which were then quickly covered up. Yamu was able to recall the numbers in the correct order, beating human subjects in the process. This level of cognitive ability is staggering, and it raises serious questions about the nature of intelligence in the animal kingdom. So, what can we conclude from our exploration of animal cognition? Firstly, it's clear that animals are capable of some truly remarkable feats of intelligence, from problem-solving to social learning and even self-awareness. However, it's also important to recognize that their thought processes are likely to be vastly different from our own, driven by different cognitive processes and motivations. Animals think, but differently from humans. They solve problems, have emotions, and show memory and self-awareness to varying degrees. However, they lack the complex abstract reasoning, language, and advanced planning unique to humans. Their thinking is adapted to their specific needs and environments. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of animal intelligence. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the topic, so please share your comments below. If you're interested in learning more about animal cognition, be sure to check out my other videos on related topics.